In this video, I will be showing you how to fix unusual activity detected from your device in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I click on the profile icon in the lower left corner of the ChatGPT interface. A menu pops up, and I click Log Out. A confirmation screen appears asking, "Are you sure you want to log out?" I click the black Log Out button. The screen briefly changes to show it is logging out of all accounts. Once logged out, the default ChatGPT interface loads. I click the Log In button in the upper right corner. The Welcome Back window appears. I click on my existing saved account profile. The system processes the login request, and I am returned to the main prompt screen. Next, I navigate to the top right corner of the Chrome browser and click the three-dot menu icon. I scroll down and select Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions from the submenu. The extension management page opens. I scroll down to find the extensions running in my browser. I locate my VPN extension and click the toggle switch to turn it off. With the VPN disabled, I close the extension tab and return to ChatGPT. To ensure a stable connection, I click the network section on my Windows taskbar to open the quick settings menu. I click the arrow next to the Wi-Fi icon to view available connections, select my active network, click Disconnect, and then click Connect again to refresh my device's network connection. After it reconnects, I close the panel. Now, I open a new incognito window by clicking the browser's three-dot menu and choosing New Incognito Window. In the address bar, I type chatgpt.com and hit Enter. When the page loads, I click Log In the top right corner. I select Continue with Google, type in my email address, and click Next. Then, I enter my password and click Next. The interface successfully loads my account page in the incognito session. I can now close this incognito browser window. Back in my main browser window, I click the three-dot menu again and click Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, I click on Privacy and Security. On the right panel, I select Third-party cookies. Next, I click on See all site data and permissions. I navigate to the search bar at the top right, type in ChatGPT, and the list filters to show ChatGPT data. I click the trash can icon next to the main chatgpt.com entry. A confirmation box asks to delete site data, and I click Delete. I also click the trash can icon next to the remaining subdomain entries for ChatGPT and click Delete on each to clear all stored cookies and site data. After clearing the data, I close the Settings tab. Instead of refreshing normally, I click the Site Information Lock icon next to the URL in the address bar and select Site Settings. This opens the specific settings page for ChatGPT. I click the blue Delete Data button at the top and confirm by clicking Delete on the pop-up window. Next, I go down to the Windows taskbar, click on the system clock, and then click Adjust Date and Time at the bottom of the calendar window. The Time and Language Settings panel opens. I check that Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically are both toggled to On to ensure my device's internal clock matches my actual location. Finally, I close the time settings and go back to the ChatGPT tab. I click the blue Reload button on the top notification banner. The page updates and the Google login prompt automatically appears. I click Continue as Sample to authorize my account. The system verifies my login information, refreshes the screen, and correctly opens up my main ChatGPT dashboard with all my recent chats visible in the sidebar, successfully resolving the unusual activity error. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.